Last year when I was here, the street was bustling with people. Here on my right hand side, UNESCO 한국위원회, Korea National Commission for UNESCO. Here, Energite, the shoes and sportswear here, and here Nature Republic is one of the famous brands here. Police, Myeongdong Police. Okay, left hand side, all the building. I'm not sure this is now it's used as a Myeongdong Art Theater. Okay. Oh, now I see a street vendor, just one. What is this? Jimin, the BTS Jimin's here. Happy birthday, Jimin.